Okay, let me guess. You want to analyze a competitor's websites, but you don't know exactly where to start or what to do. If that's a yes, this video is perfect for you. In this video, we have created an amazing template that can help you analyze a competitor's websites, that can help you make crucial decisions on optimizing your very own website. But to understand this template better and learn how to implement it, I'm going to be teaching you how to use this in a very short tutorial. And if you want to get your hands into this gem of a template, all you have to do is just go to the description below. The template is just waiting for you already. You just have to download it. That's it. So anyways, let's get right into this video, and don't forget to watch this all the way to the end to make the best out of this template. So of course, the first section, we're talking about exactly what this template is and how you can make a copy and download it and start using it for your own websites. Coming to the second bit, this is the actual template that you'll be utilizing to compare your clients' performance with their competitors. And in the next few seconds, I'll quickly be sharing how you can make the best out of this template by understanding each and every section in a much more better way. So for this example, we have taken a criminal law firm based in Sydney called Sydney Criminal Defense and Traffic Lawyers. They are ranking on the 10th position, and do not ask me why I have taken this specific example. I've been watching a lot of true crime videos and I was like, why not to just use this perfect example? And this website that I've taken has a lot of scope to actually rank on the top position because they are currently on the 10th position, and by analyzing what their competitors are doing, they can definitely make some changes. And the second bit is basically understanding who your competitors are, and you will find that from the websites that are ranking on the first 5 positions of this specific keyword, which were these. The third part is basically analyzing their on-page metrics. And also we have mentioned our client's website over here so that we can compare our client's website to the other competitors. It's pretty self-explanatory. The title, meta description, H1, everything we have noted it down over here. As you can see, as our main focus keyword for this is Criminal Lawyers Sydney. You can see a lot of the competitors' website actually have Criminal Law Sydney. Some of it literally looks copy-paste, but it is pretty interesting how they have really utilized this keyword into their meta tags. And our client actually has a lot of scope where they can improve their own performance based on how these competitors are actually utilizing this keyword. Over here, even the H1, as you can see, of our client has multiple H1s, and they are not even specific to the keyword that we want to target. A couple of one of our competitor, I remember, the third competitor also has multiple H1s. And multiple H1s are not really advisable to have. It's better to just have one H1, and it's advisable again for that H1 to have the focus keyword, or basically talking what the website is about. Again, the keyword density for our client and even our competitors is not that great. I think the third competitor has the highest, which is 0.09, but they definitely can improve on that. The text to code ratio as well is pretty interesting because our client has the highest text to code ratio, and at the same time it's not even ranking that well compared to our competitors who have lesser text to code ratio, but still they are ranking pretty well. They're in the top 5 positions. This is another opportunity that this website has compared to their competitors. So anyways, the next few sections are the FAQ schema. If the competitors have FAQ schema, you can just put in true. If they don't, you can put in false, as you can see over here. Same for breadcrumb schema. If they have canonicals, true or false, which mostly every website has it, except I think this third competitor. Make sure that the keywords are also mentioned in the alt text, if they're mentioned in the URLs, if they're mentioned in the anchor, and also we have to make sure that the internal external linkings are present. The last bit is basically the website metrics. We are going to check how is their technical SEO and their off-page SEO. For off-page SEO, I've been using Keywords Everywhere. It's my go-to tool, and it's a pretty simple and clear tool to understand the overview of your website and your competitors' websites as well. Over here, my client is not doing that well, as you can see over here, in terms of traffic, backlinks, and even domain authority. The top competitor is doing pretty well. They have like the highest traffic and backlinks. The rest of the competitors are again not that great, but at the same time they're higher compared to the performance of our client's website. Over here, we have mentioned the core website metrics, mobile friendliness test, whether they have sitemap, true or false if they have it or they don't have it, which each and every website does, whether they have robots.txt, they have open graph, do they have the Twitter card, etc. So anyways, now that we have added all the data, how do we actually make a fruitful analysis of this entire template, because at the end these are just numbers and text, but how do we actually understand what are we supposed to do after this, what decisions are we supposed to take? So that is where we actually compare our clients' performance with our competitors. In terms of this, we understand that we have multiple H1s, which should be the first flag. It has to be removed. Whichever metric over here, as you can see, is missing, like the FAQ, the breadcrumb, we don't have keywords in our URL, and etc. We can take the opportunity on improving those aspects so that at least in terms of on page, we are 100% there and we are at par, if not better than our competitors. But this is basically how you can actually analyze your client's performance and how you can do like a quick stalking of your competitors. This is a quick template to understand where you are standing or your client is standing, and at the same time how your competitors are doing, what advantages do they have compared to your client, and at the same time what missing avenues or missing opportunities that you have that you can quickly take and start ranking in the top 3 positions. I hope it was clear and easy to understand. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll quickly answer them. That was all for this video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more such amazing templates that we have to share. And if you want to start using this template ASAP, just go to the description below and we have it right there for you. Thank you so much for watching the video again, and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye-bye.